Begin with the chain 3. Skip the first stitch of the row and work a double crochet 3 together over the next 3 stitches. So skip your first stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and repeat that in the next 2 stitches. Yarn over, pull through all 4 loops on hook. The base of your stitch has now been worked. To work the top of the stitch, you're going to begin with the chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and now you're going to work 3 more double crochets in the top bars of the stitches from below. So you're going to take your needle and insert your needle through the front bars of those stitches. So yarn over, insert your hook, it should just slide through, pull up your loop, and complete your double crochet. Yarn over, insert through that same spot, and complete your double crochet, and one more time. Your first stitch has been completed. To work the next stitch, you're going to begin from the top. So to bring it all the way down to the bottom, you're going to wrap your yarn over 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now insert your hook into that first stitch, pull up a loop, and pull through 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. Now you're going to yarn over and pull through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops on your hook. Essentially, that is a 4 double crochet together. This is like yarn over, inserting your hook, and pulling up a loop of a double crochet. So just yarn over, pull through those 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, and pull through the remaining 2 loops on your hook. That's like finishing a double crochet. Now we're going to work 3 double crochets into that same spot of those stitches from below. Yarn over, insert your hook, going through the middle of those stitches, yarn over, pull through, and complete your double crochet. Now work 2 more. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, complete the double crochet. 1 more. Repeat this all the way across the row. You're essentially working a double crochet 4 together along the bottom, and then 4 double crochets kind of in the same spot of the stitch above. Got 2 completed, complete 2 more. And continue across your row.